Do you want to walk on top of the river water? This is a limited event from October to March only. Do you think you could cross this water road? Every station has something exciting to see. Welcome back, wanderers. Please join me to a river walk wherein we will walk on top of the river, but this is only a limited event in Cheorwon. Let's go! This is supposed to be the next station, but it is more beautiful at night, so we decided to make it our last. Before going to the other station, we decided to have lunch first. This is somewhat a new restaurant, and I'll put the details on the description of this video.
Tapos, dalawa yung choice. Either yung isama mo tong pork or beef, whatever, meat, or yung rice. Pero gagawin ko lahat. So, unahin natin tong karne, cheorwon. Then, pipili ka ng lahat ng gusto mong ihalo ng mga gulay to na pinlanch lang. And then Korean style. So very, ayan. Ilan muna yung pinili ko. Tapos, ito yung mga sauce. Iba't ibang klase. Let's taste. Hindi ko alam lasa. Walang masarap. Ito na lang. Okay, tapos, malutin. Then, i-shoot mo sa yung malaking bibig. So, let's go. Picture tayo dito.
Going back to the river road took a lot of steps. I can't remember how many steps I took. But this place is very historical, so there are a lot of K-dramas that were shot here, and here they are. And I shot a lot of pictures too. My pictures. Oh!
Lang sa pelikula or sa Europe. Meron din kayo sa Korea yan. Mga natutulog na troll. Huwag nyo lang gisingin. You are in danger. May tao doon, no? Seko.
Can you see that cliffside boardwalk? We had a video about this, so I hope you check it out too. We went there and walked 8 kilometers. From here, we took the shuttle bus to go back to the station where we skip. This is the place where the bridge and the tower are.
Pareho kami yan sa sa YouTube, isang ganun lang. Pakita mo din para may post ako. Yung dati kasi, pinapasok. student. 6,000, one person. And my elevator. Yeah, in Cook. Entrance, let's go. Scary but challenge. Lapit ka. Dito mo iwag yung isyo to. Yung lens. Parang kinikilit yung mga bata. Uy, ano siya, resort. Kitong-kita sa baba, grabe. One, two, three. Rounding. Sa YouTube.
I told you na mas maganda dito pag gabi, pero hindi pa ganun kadilim, so we decided na mag-coffee muna, dumaan dito sa pinakamalapit na coffee shop after the bridge. So nagstay muna kami dito, ordered some drinks, and naghintay kami na dumilim talaga para ma-enjoy yung view ng bridge saka ng tower kasi nag-change sila ng lights. Ayan, may naispatan pa akong mga birds. Ito yung drinks na in-order namin, very special.
Ayan. Tayo na lang natira. Wala ng tao. Ay. Bye. Let's go home. Pupunta na ako sa parking kaya lang mag-isa na ni Orlando. Yun na ba yun? That's all folks. So punta na tayo sa parking. Pero mag-isa na lang ng aking car si Orlando. Look. Wala na, iwan nakapark. Look. That's all folks. Tapos na yung ano ko pa siya. Tapos ngayon punta na ako sa car. Kaya lang mag-isa na lang yan sa parking. Wala nang iba. But that's okay. Maganda yung sunset. Let's go home.